Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G67 and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here let's start with the network and internet. Then tap on Private DNS, mark Private DNS provider hostname, and here enter dns.adguard.com. Thanks to using it and saving it, your device will simply limit the advertisements. Another thing that you can do here is to go to the Google services, tap on all services, and here in the privacy and security, go to ads. So here we've got something which is called advertising ID. And basically the whole idea of this feature is that your device gathers the information about your searching. And after that, based on your search, it will show you the advertisement. So for example, I was searching for a lamp to my living room, and now my device is showing me the different variations of this lamp or different lamps or different offers from different shops, etc., etc. So this is how it works. And removing the advertising ID will not necessarily limit the number of the advertisements, but for sure it will limit the personalization. So I highly recommend to tap on Reset Advertising ID, tap on Confirm, and then Delete Advertising ID. And delete. Of course, if you want to, you can always get a new one. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.